Brian Young with ProTinkerToys.com. Okay, now this is a toy that I used to play with all the time in the 60s. And they were called TinkerToys. Now they're just called Makit Toys. Makit Toy, yeah, Makit Toys. They can't call it TinkerToys, but because they used to be called TinkerToys. And what was cool about TinkerToys is you could just keep sticking different and just keep adding and making things. Okay? And this is what I loved about it as a kid, because I loved to build big things. Okay? All right? And there was just so many things you could do with TinkerToys. And they're just, and you can make them to where they swivel like an airplane. You can build airplanes on it. They have big pieces. Nowadays they even have different, like they didn't have this piece when I was a kid, and they have these little caps now that go on the top or the ends of it, so you can make wheels that will turn, okay, and move. And this is basically the deluxe kit, and this has got 70 pieces, I think. 70, let's see, where does it say? 70, yeah, 70 pieces. It's $24.99. This is really a good price, $24.99. Okay, so this is TinkerToys. You get all sorts of different colors. You get yellow, blue, orange sticks. And what was ingenious about TinkerToys was, of course, this is not TinkerToys. This is Makit Toys. Is that they just kept connecting. You just could keep building and adding on. And I remember Mom would get me multiple kits of these things. I mean, I would just get so many kits, and I would just. That's all I remember them getting me as a kid is construction. That's all I'd ever get is construction, constantly. And this is the I can't call it Tinker because it's not a Tinker Toy kit, but it's called Makit Toy by Schylling, and 70 pieces. This is all the different things you can build from it. It's just fun little building, So if you want your son or your daughter just to have fun creating things, get them a Makit Toy kit. Makit Toy kit. Make it, is that it? Make it, M-A-K-I-T, Makit Toy by Schylling. And everything goes right. I remember my grandmother would keep, well, she would keep the Lincoln Log set, but everything goes right back in this container. All right, when you're finished playing with it, you put everything back in here. All right. And this will be sold at a discount because this is our demo item. All right. So you'll be able to buy this at a special price because I've used this to show you what it's all about. And therefore we give our customers a special deal, especially club members get 10% off. And then all the items go inside of here, and that is the Makit 10. It's called MKT at ProTinkerToys.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell button, and also make sure that you give us thumbs up, all right? And look at the bottom for the descriptions, and this is available at ProTinkerToys.com. Don't forget to say that to yourself. Say ProTinkerToys.com. ProTinkerToys.com. Have a great day at ProTinkerToys.com.